Sinimulan na ng Rotary Club of Manila ang nominasyon para sa mga Board of Directors na itatalaga sa susunod na taon. Sa ginanap na 6th weekly membership meeting ng RCM na ginanap sa Dusit Tani Manila Chantara Function Hall, dinaluhan ng mga Rotarians ang aktibidad, partikular na sa pangunguna ni RCM President Eduardo Jujut Enriquez. Kabilang sa mga ibinoto ng RCM members o naging mga nominado bilang BOD o Board of Directors ng grupo ay ang isa sa mga Rotarians sa tama ng Aliw Broadcasting Corporation na si Boss D. Edgar A. Cabangon, RTN Rod Valencia, RTN Noy Benedicto, RTN Raul Criencia, RTN Hans Palacios, RTN Paco Magsaysay, RTN Ricky Guevara, RTN Rami Chawan, RTN Lito Sibayan, RTN Caloy Serapio, RTN Mike Albania, RTN Teddy Calao, RTN Jason Bogovich, RTN at dating DND Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, RTN Mike Rojas, RTN Nagi Zaytuni, RTN Edwin Hernandez, RTN Warren So at si RTN Carlo Castro. Samantala, nagtipon-tipon din ang mga miyembro ng RCM upang talakayin naman ang mga hamon na kailangan mapagtagumpayan ng bagong henerasyon sa pamumuno ni President Jujut Enriquez. Nagkaroon din ng sesyon ng pagkatuto ang mga Rotarians upang mapalawak ang kanilang kaalaman at inspirasyon tungo sa tagumpay sa tulong na rin ni na Attorney Dermot Doyne at Star Rotarian na si Christian Bello.
When we started the business, I was so lazy. I asked her, we should enter the easiest portion. So what's the biggest input of the family farms? She said, feed. So let's enter there. And turns out that was the most challenging portion of all, because in the Philippines, the feed business, especially in Bangus, it's not about feed technology. It's basically about credit and providing credit to the farms. So when we entered the business, it was already so mature that the market leaders, the biggest suppliers of feeds, was already very close to the family members. And in our family, there's no shortcuts. You get invited in, but once you're in, you basically just fend for yourself. Now that's so difficult because we're already competing with the largest companies. It's like a high school basketball team going against the biggest PBA teams or NBA teams. But I said, we already decided, I already quit from my job, we're no longer immigrating to the US. So even though we did not have capital, the banks were not noticing us, we had zero experience, my field was so far away from farming, especially my wife's who is in the medical field. I said, laban na natin to.
My biggest love is advocation and education, because without the two of them, we're all going to be that person in the street, and we're always going to be, no one's going to help you unless you get, and when a person told me when I was young about what a buying decision is, a decision that you make or don't make, that can be a critical decision in your life. And I never forget decisions, you know, and there's some decisions you make set you for the rest of your life, and everyone's here today because they made a decision. Well, you made a decision to come here, but you also made a decision earlier in life that got you to become part of this place.
At samantala, una na ngang sinabi ni President Jujut Enriquez na kanilang ipagpapatuloy at palalawakin pa ang mga proyekto at programa ng RCM na makakatulong sa mga Pilipino. Ito si Patrol 30 Jelle Mendez nag-uulat para sa Impilang Metodong Lakas sa DWIZ. Nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.